This is positively the last outfit change and definitely the last dish that I'm gonna make for our New Year's Eve party. Eton mess. It has berries, whipped cream, meringue, and mine has Concord grape and champagne jam. Oh yeah. Bubbly grape juice flavoring grapes. Grapes on grape. How poetic is that? The ratios for this are very important. About this much. Smells divine off the vine. I'm feeling fine. That's it. 3 ingredients and a little patience. See how it coats the spoon? That's how you know. Use the blitz, Luke. Woo! Cold cream, cold bowl, cold heart. Icing sugar keeps the whipped cream stable, and vanilla for some perfume. Gotta do it. Sugar pavlova. It sounds like a Russian gymnast, but really it's just store-bought meringue. How to serve a mess on New Year's Eve? As if there was any other way. For good luck, make sure that every guest gets exactly 12 grapes and enjoys it at exactly midnight. 1, 2, 12. Pro tip, serve this with a sprig of mint on the side to freshen up your breath for that midnight smooch, and a glass of champagne for the same reason.
Give it up for midnight. Just give it up for one more dance.
Oh yeah.
You make it last till sunrise. Let's give it
Best
up
time
for
to
one
serve this is when the
last
champagne is kicking in.
chance to